Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the ASI number 7430-S recessed single roll toilet tissue dispenser and holder. So what this is obviously is it's a single roll toilet tissue dispenser, but what it is, that's the obvious part. What it also is, however, is a unit that can contain a second roll, is why that's so unusually deed. You've got a non-theft resistant, simple plastic with a chrome look spring style spindle. It's a very nice quality fit and finish on this. This is stainless steel everywhere outside here. Yeah, everything is stainless. Even the screws holding the posts on are stainless, with the exception of this spindle. Okay, requires a very specific rough opening naturally because of its capability. 5.5 wide, 5.5 tall, and then 4-inch deep. At 4-inch deep is probably not a problem with a typical sort of wall construction. It'll just fit. Okay, and let's take a look at that rough opening a little bit closer. So they said 5.5 by 5.5. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. You're about 5 5/16 square. The overall dimension 6 1/8. 6 1/8. Yeah, so that 5.5 makes sense. They said they want 4-inch on a depth. Yeah, that would just fit in. You can see the side walls here are going to have holes provided in them for screws by others for you to attach the unit. This is an extra roll toilet paper holder. It'll handle 2 rolls, obviously one in the back, one on the spindle. 5 1/8 inch diameter. Unit shall have frame and recessed box fabricated of 18/8 stainless steel type 304. You can do it in the -S, which is the one we're looking at, which is satin, or the -B, which would be bright. And nothing on here approaches the bright finish. It would be mirror-like. Unit posts are Zamac, so these are not stainless. It's not magnetic because Zamac is not, which is a very dense sort of material that's used in very commonly in commercial hardware, restroom equipment hardware. So these are made of Zamac in a very complementary finish. Chrome plated, high impact resistant ABS plastic, spring loaded. You can buy these spindles separately. Should you need those, feel free to reach out to us. Actually, I'm going to pause this video and get that part number for you now. Okay, the part number on this replacement spindle would be R-003. You can buy that spindle separately. There is a reference to the installation in terms of where you need to be in accordance with ADA regulations, which is very typically something that you would be needing to follow. Unit is mounted in a wall recess using number 10 self-tapping screws. They indicate that they're supplied on the technical sheet, but they're not, is the bottom line. That is incorrect. ADA accessibility guidelines compliance. Unit shall be installed with the center line of the roller between 19-inch and 44-inch above the finished floor, and the forward edge of roll no further than 36-inch from back wall behind the commode. So from behind you on the side wall, no greater than 36-inch. Operation spindle revolves freely. That's not controlled. It's not theft resistant. Reserve roll is protected from access until in use roll is completely exhausted, etc. You know, good application for this is going to be a teacher's lounge. Something with moderate volume where you expect no vandalism, things of that, facilities of that nature, maybe an employee's restroom in a retail business. The name ASI is synonymous with all things commercial washroom related, whether it be a toilet paper holder like this, or a soap dispenser, or a mirror, or a grab bar, material that you'll see in light duty applications that you might have even in residential places of where the material's installed. There might be a modern sort of look that's been done. It's not uncommon to see a ASI tissue dispenser, an in-wall tissue dispenser in a home, all the way up to heavy-duty applications where you'll see ASI material in hospitals, airports, hotels, sports stadiums, places of that nature. If you have any questions on the ASI 7403-S single roll toilet tissue dispenser, toilet paper dispenser, or any other ASI product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.